Wow. What is it? No way, that's too expensive. But why not try this book? This doesn't look like a good book. It's a scary one. Trust me, this is for the Halloween one. I know you're gonna love it. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a monster who wanted to snuck up the house and stole some candy. And then, a monster who couldn't eat the candy, he decided he would make up a trick. Huh? Is it raining birds? I'll close the window. Oh well, I think that's enough for today. Now good night. Oh, this is a really scary one and I don't like it. Huh? Who's there? Ah! Okay, breakfast is ready. Open up. What's going on? Why is your face green? Ew! What's this green slime? Ew! Ding dong. Who's there? Hey, Daddy Pig. I've got the package for you. Let go! Let go! No! Don't hurt Shine! Let me go! Just think, oh no! I'll save you! Quick, hide! That was close. No! Help me! Oh no! Stop that octopus! Ding dong. Who is it? Anyone there? What's this green slime? That's it, I'm gonna take you down. Oh, no, wait, don't! I've got an idea. Ew, gross, stop that! Oh. Ugh, what's this thing on my tongue? Hey Lola, hands up! I've got it! I've got it! I've got it! Yes, I've got it! Yep! Huh? Oh, it's stuck on my hook again. Here you go. Pass it to me! I'm open! Huh? You threw it way too high. I better go grab it. Whoa! Huh? Why am I inside in a coffin? Oh no, what's going on? Hey, help me! Help me! Let me fix that. Just need some shovel to dig some more. Please, help me! Let me light it up. Help! Help! Where is everyone? Anyone help me? Water! Oh no. Okay. Help! Get me out! Get me out! Huh? Hey, the elf truck's stuck. Huh? No! No, not the tow truck, please. No! Where is everyone? Oh, where am I? Oh, this must be the underground. Ew.